That got him.
You should have seen his. Oh my god.
If you don't confess, I'll start spinning like a top. Then I'll flap and join.
There you're spinning.
Oh no.
Even tops can't handle me.
Buddy, you got scared of a lizard. Oh, you should have seen your face. Is that a lizard? Oh my god, it scared you guys so bad. Are you kidding me?
A bird is evil. I'm not sitting back down until it's